Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for CompTIA A Plus Core 1. You can download the complete list of CompTIA based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on CompTIA A Plus Core 1 is: explain the purpose of the Windows registry. Your answer should be: the Windows registry is a hierarchical database that stores configuration settings, options, and preferences for the Windows operating system and installed applications. It is used to manage system settings, hardware configuration, user preferences, and software settings. Our next interview question is: what is the purpose of a domain controller in Active Directory? Your answer should be: a domain controller is a server that manages user authentication and access control in a Windows domain environment using Active Directory services. It stores user accounts, group policies, and security settings for network resources. Our next interview question is: describe the purpose of a ping command. Your answer should be: the ping command is used to test the reachability of a host on a network by sending ICMP echo request packets and waiting for ICMP echo reply packets. It is commonly used to troubleshoot network connectivity issues and measure network latency. Our next interview question is: explain the purpose of a subnet in networking. Your answer should be: a subnet is a logical subdivision of an IP network that allows network administrators to divide a large network into smaller, more manageable segments. It helps improve network performance, security, and manageability by controlling broadcast traffic and segmenting network traffic. Our next interview question is: what is the purpose of a KVM switch? Your answer should be: a KVM, that is keyboard video mouse switch, is a hardware device that allows users to control multiple computers or servers using a single keyboard, monitor, and mouse. It helps save space, reduce clutter, and improve efficiency in multi-computer environments. Our next interview question is: explain the purpose of a file system. Your answer should be: a file system is a method used by operating systems to organize and manage files on storage devices such as hard drives, solid state drives, and optical disks. It provides a structure for storing, retrieving, and managing files and directories. Our next interview question is: describe the purpose of a DHCP server. Your answer should be: a DHCP, that is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol server, is a network server that automatically assigns IP addresses and other network configuration parameters to devices on a network. It helps simplify network administration and ensure that devices have valid network settings. Our next interview question is: what is the purpose of a network gateway? Your answer should be: a network gateway is a device or software component that connects different networks and facilitates communication between them. It acts as an entry and exit point for data traffic between networks and provides routing, security, and protocol conversion services. If you are preparing for any CompTIA based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.